Aner malak en yam biakamal ka Nuer online TV channel ka jan gwasme bana rochme bana jaling ka chair ka queer ni Peter Lambot, General Peter Lambot, ngai kone Peter Lambot, queer secretary dunkume, you know, uh, gor wo bana warga danen chagor kimen chagor kuma sa Sudan kirma yadit ka do badana chaja wo ka je re wicha ka juba kire kwarmanan entetin ka bon aspelim aji men ping kwarne kirma yadit jandana gore en wo bajan nyaaka yekel gwasme mi jiram jidit gore je en wo jin der jan nyaaka nasin ko ken der subscribe ka der je share ki der comment baka kore ban warga me bana je nyakel jen e warga me gor ka social media ka Facebook page de cha warga me gor naga jen odong de nyaaka yekel ane bana chutin amana gor wargan gor General Peter Lambot warga muwe ka kir mayadit la president dung South Sudan ko cha jo woch kwar me tetin ko tema chala ngoda lo kwar cha jo woch already kwar ngoda kana ngaji no position da ya kame position di en ngoda kana ngach dung do cha jo woch cha jo kaping gwada dan tetin ke kwar men tetin bana warga dan en chagor point ja bana je nywakel warga me jenda na chagor je tanba en ngodan en me to ko garten gor jen wo beje nywaka yekel ka do bran en che gor ka je gwaye a gen letter to letter of appreciation. Dear comrade chairman, I want to take this rare opportunity to thank you for giving me the time to serve as PLM party both as interim secretary general from September 2021 December to 2022 and as a Secretary General from January 2023 to February 2025, while the opportunity to serve our party is memorable and the manner by which you choose me in the political bureau to the position of the interim SPLM Secretary General and the reason you provided will forever live with me. The shock of that episode still haunts me with gladness. Under your wise leadership, we accomplished much, and here are but a few of them. Number one, we have organized the SPLM from grassroots to the national leadership level. Number two, we have recruited tens of thousands of cadres from tenures. Number three, we have created harmony within the party structures and leadership. Number four, we have established credible business companies for the party which are managed by independent board of directors and managing directors. Number five, we have trained thousands of SPLM cadres, both locally and internationally. Number six, we audited SPLM financial statement from 2014 up to 2024, making us one of the few public institutions in the country to have done that in order to foster transparency and accountability. During my tenure, number seven, during my tenure, the SPLM does not owe any debt to any institution or anybody. Number eight, we have strengthened our bilateral relation with various like-minded political parties both in the region and globally. Number nine, we have reviewed the basic document of the SPLM for presentation to the NLC PB and ultimately to be approved by the Third SPLM National Convention. Number 10, we started to prepare the preliminary text for the SPLM election manifesto for 2026. Number 11, we have constructed a new HQ for the SPLM which is near completion. We have started preparation for construction of a new NLC, all which has been donated by a friendly political party. Both are due to be inaugurated in this year 2025. At this juncture, I want to thank all the senior leaders of our party from SPLM chairman, his deputies, PB and NLC members, SPLM state and or administrative area, chairperson, my colleague in the National Secretariat, especially my first deputy CDE, Dr. Benjamin Bullmill, and my second deputy CDE, Mary Apayi, and SPLM advisor secretaries, deputy secretaries, directors, and all staff of the National Secretariat for their support rendered to me during my tenure and for doing their best to make SPLM shine in the country. I owe them all great debt of gratitude. While I congratulate my able leader, Professor CDE Dr. James Waniga, as he entered this portfolio for the second time, I avail myself at his disposal should he call on me for engagement that can make SPLM move forward to greater height. CDE Chairman, should you need my service, I am with you in your reach. Thank you for your wide leadership and God bless you. Peter Lambus, signed it. Former SPLM Secretary General, Republic of South Sudan, Juba. Again, what God and Shagor, Menchagor, Nadiala Kon, Tinchik, Let Kale, Ko, Chaja, which Guadadan and Quatin. Again, Dana Shalat, Jena Gorenua Yakel, Kawar Gadan Chagor, Chiachunan Guasame Wargade, Mugur Jeno, Dear Genuane, the Coquin Bichu, Nuakachu, Purujano, be subscribe, more videos to Banung. Killer Banung ka Nuer online TV channel ko biya ko lat ko den biya shungat and biya to kamal ban jigum radian bye bye.